Great, you're now ready to pair your Spacetalk watch. This video will run you through the pairing process step by step. Before we start, be sure to download the Spacetalk app and create your account. You will need to do this before you start pairing your watch. If you haven't done this, pause this video so you can set up the app. Are you ready to get your watch paired? Make sure the SIM is inserted into your watch and you are ready to go. Let's start with your phone. In the Spacetalk app, click the plus symbol in the bottom left corner to add a new device. Click on the watch icon. Okay, now choose the model of your watch on the screen. Set up the watch wearer's profile, then tap Next. You can pause the video now to get your Spacetalk watch. Turn your watch on. If your screen is still black, make sure your watch is charged. If you see no connection, check that your SIM is inserted correctly. Make sure your SIM is active and you are in a good mobile coverage area. Select Tap to Pair. The watch will automatically look for software updates. Select Start. Tap the center for the QR code to display. Scan the QR code using the Spacetalk app and then confirm the pairing on your Spacetalk watch. Fantastic. You're all paired and ready to go. If you haven't already, you should set up your watch from the app to make the most of Spacetalk's safety features. For more help, visit spacetalk.co/support.